Good morning to all. This is your book Brick by Brick. So open it. Page number 9 and the chapter number 2. For the love of the game. For the love of the game. Starter, it's not a fair you cheated. It's not a fault that we lost. Have you said these words after you have lost a game? Some of us find it very difficult to lose. When you see great players and team play, you will see the loser congratulating the winner with a smile and the winner giving the loser a hug or a patting his shoulder. Sportsmanship is something that has to be learned. Read this story. Okay, so reading start. John Landy was a great Australian track athlete. This story is about Australian athlete John. He is famous for breaking the 4-minute mile barrier in the mile run. But one of the best moments in sports happened in the 1956 Australian National Championship. So read it with me. John Landy was a great Australian track athlete. He is famous for breaking the 4-minute mile barrier in the mile run. Read it. But one of the best moments in sports happened in the 1956 Australian National Championship. Okay. So now thousands of people and come to watch the championship. How many people? Thousands of the people had come to watch the championship. They wanted John to break the 4-minute mile barrier. There were huge expectations of him. During the third lap of the 1500-meter race, Ron Clark, another runner, tripped and fell. How? 1500 meter race, Ron Clark, another runner, tripped and fell as John leaped over him. जैसे ही जॉन उनसे आगे जाते हैं, उन्हें ओवरलिप करते हुए, तो वो एक्सीडेंटली टच जाता है. He accidentally touched his arm with his spike. This injured Ron a bit. And then after having gone ahead, John stopped and raced back to the fallen Clark. He wanted to check if Clark was badly hurt. He helped Clark to his feet, brushed his knees, then he checked his arm and said sorry. And then to the amazement of everyone in the crowd, John came from behind to finish first in the race. Firstly, John check out what is happening with John. Sorry, what is happening with Clark? And he said Clark was very injured. So because of John, so John said sorry for their mistake. John won many races in his great career, but it was this singular act of sportsmanship that earned him a place among legends. John won many races in his great career, but it was a singular act of sportsmanship that earned him a place among legends. He made history that day. Not for winning the race, but for something even greater. Means जीतने से ज्यादा जो बड़ा होता है वो चीज इसको उन्होंने जीती थी. इसलिए though Landy went on it win the race, his win has been overshadowed by his fine supporting gesture, one that was both unselfish and human. One of his friends later wrote, he was a great sporting gesture, one that will be remembered as one of the finest action in the history of sport. Now let's do some exercise. Firstly, these are some fill up from your chapter. So you have to fill. John Landy was a great Australian track athlete. So write here athlete. Okay. Next, he is remembered for a incident, unique incident. So write here unique. Okay. So now, another fellow runner, Ron Clark, accidentally tripped and fell during the race. John's spike touched his shoulder and he got injured. Though racing ahead, John stopped and checked back to the fallen Clark. He surprised to see the Clark. Now you have to fill these fill-ups and do it in your notebook. After this, state whether following statement true or false. Okay. John Landy was a great American track athlete. John Landy was a great athlete. Yes, true. Right here, true. John Clark was the winner of the 1956 Australian National. So John Clark won. True. Okay. John Landy is famous for breaking the 4-minute mile barrier in the mile run. Yes. True. Next, Ron Clark accidentally injured John Landy. False. So John said sorry to Ron Clark after having checked his face, knee and arm. True. Okay, so complete it. True, 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 and then false and true. Okay, so these are some exercises you have to fill with yourself. A classmate of yours always win at chess. So stop playing chess with him altogether. Ask him to teach you some points about playing chess in a better way. So do it, complete it in your book.